Well, this is the network that I have already formed using some prerequisites depending upon the project. So we know that an activity is always denoted by an arc. So A, B, C, D, E, F, H and G. These are the activities. Okay? And A and B are the mother activity. No precedence. Only A and B have successors. C, this C activity starts after the completion of A. This E activity starts after the completion of B and C. So E starts after completion of both B and C. Similarly, F starts from this point, that is completion of B and C. Okay. Now, this is the dummy activity. Dummy activity is denoted by the dashed line. This contains no resource, no weight. Weight of A is 5, weight of B is 6, weight of C is 3, but weight of this 4, 5, this is a dummy activity. Now, it contains no resource. But when we use this dummy, actually, H starts after the completion of both E and D. Okay? Now, H starts from this point. So, in this point, we should merge this E and D. Now, using this dummy activity, we shift the last position, ending position of this D activity from this 4 to 5, so that H starts after the completion of D and E. This contains nothing. Okay. Now, in this given network, this is the starting node and 6 is the ending node. We have to find out the critical path. You are given, you have to find out the critical path from this given network. Critical path is the longest path. Okay. So, first we use the forward pass. Forward pass means from starting to the last node, that is left scanning. So, forward pass of every nodes means every events. So, this is the first node. We know that a forward pass. We know that for the first one, earliest occurrence of the first node is always set to 0. Okay, that is box 1 is 0. So, write box 1. Box 1 is 0. Okay. Then for the second one, which one is the second? Second one is this node, second node. So, for the second node, there are only one incoming edge. So, we know that earliest occurrence of the second node, this is equals to already earliest occurrence of the first node, this is calculated. So, earliest occurrence of first node plus the weight, that is B of 1, 2. G of 1, 2 is 5. So, 0 plus 5, that is 5, right? So, this is the earliest occurrence of 2, that is 5. Clear? Then number 3, earliest occurrence of 3. Earliest occurrence of 3. So, earliest occurrence of 3, but this is the event 3. It has two incoming edges, B and C, two activities. So, how to calculate? So, using max. Max of first earliest occurrence of 1 plus G of 1, 3, comma. There is an edge from 2 to 3, that's why earliest occurrence of 2, already computed earliest occurrence of 2. So, box 2 plus G 2, 3. Okay. So, max of this, max of box 1. Box 1 means 0. So, 0 plus this is your 6. 0 plus 6, and this is the 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3, that is 8. So, maximum is 8. So, box 3 box 3. Box 3 is your 8. Box 3 is 8. Similarly, we can compute the box of 4. Box of 4 is this is 5 and this is 8. 5 plus 8, that is your 13. Okay, so this is your 13. Okay, now 5. What is box 5? What is box 5? Box 5 is it has two incoming edges from 4 to 5 and 3 to 5. So from 3 to 5, 8 plus 2, that is 10, and 13 plus 0. Which one is the maximum? 13 is the maximum. That's why we put 13 here. 13 here. Okay. Already box these have computed, and this is box 6. Box 6 is how to compute this box 6? 1, 2, 3. 3 incoming edges. So 8. That is, there is an way. So earliest occurrence of these 3 digits is 8. 8 plus 11. Which one is maximum? Then 13 plus 12. Then 13 plus 1. Which one is the maximum one? From which one is the maximum? Maximum is the 25. 25 is the maximum. That is, delta box 6 is equal to max of box is equal to max of box 3 plus D 36 comma box 5 plus D 56 and box 4 plus D 46. So among these 3 we have which one is the maximum? 25 is the maximum. So this is the box 6 is 25. Earliest occurrence of 25. Earliest occurrence of event 6. Now we compute the backward pass. This is the forward pass. Now we compute the backward pass. How to compute the backward pass? Backward. Backward pass, you always know that the last node's latest occurrence is equal to the last node's earliest occurrence. So delta 6 is equal to your 25. So this is 25. This is 25. 6. Clear? Okay. So last one. Second one. This is already computed. So we now interested for finding out the latest occurrence of event 5, that is box triangle 5. So triangle 5 is equal to triangle 6 minus D 5 6. This is the formula. So this is your